Welcome to this introduction of the Cyclos implementation process. There are two methods of implementation. In this course we will focus on implementing Cyclos on the DigitalOcean platform. The other way, which has our preference, is implementing Cyclos in a Docker container. This will be covered in a separate series. This instruction video is not intended for professional hosting of banks or mobile wallets. When you want to implement such a systems, we advise you to hire a certified system administrator. However, for smaller systems or companies that want to get acquainted with our Cyclos software, this will be an excellent starting point. We will discuss the following steps. First, we will set up a DigitalOcean account in an operating system. In our case, we will use Ubuntu Linux. Second, we will install Java and PostgreSQL. Then we will install Tomcat. And finally we will install Cyclos. The implementation takes some time and each step will be covered in a separate video. This way, you can skip a video if you want to. You can also implement each step at a time and continue where you left off. Important to know is that we just follow the documentation available on our website, www.cyclos.org. Select Resources and click on the Installation Guide button and go to Install Cyclos using Tomcat. As you can see, it's very detailed and you should be able to do almost anything with Cyclos if you have a bit of Java knowledge, read our documentation and maybe some Googling. So, let's proceed with the next video and create an account at DigitalOcean.